In this video, we're going to make a simple yet super effective liquid fertilizer that's packed with potassium and calcium. This fertilizer is going to be amazing for your soil and your plants, especially the ones that like a slightly higher soil pH. It helps your plants grow stronger roots, produce better flowers, and overall just look healthier. What's really cool is that it doesn't just feed your plants, it also nourishes the soil and the little microbes living in it. And the best part? You can make it at home with things you probably already have lying around. It's simple, low cost, and works naturally without any harsh chemicals. The first thing we need to think about is water. Rainwater is the best choice for this fertilizer. Why? Well, rainwater is soft, which means it doesn't have all those salts and chemicals that can be in tap water. It also doesn't have chlorine or chloramine, which can harm the beneficial microbes that will help make this fertilizer so effective. Another bonus is that rainwater is slightly acidic, which actually helps balance out the alkalinity of the wood ash we're going to add later. If you don't have rainwater available, don't worry. You can easily make tap water safer for this use. Just fill a bucket or container with water and leave it open for about 12 to 24 hours. During that time, the chlorine will naturally evaporate, and the water will be safe for your plants and the microbes that make this fertilizer work. For this batch, you'll need about 10 to 12 liters of water. Now, let's talk about the star ingredient, wood ash. Wood ash is amazing because it's full of potassium and calcium, which are essential for strong plant growth. To make it, you want to burn clean, untreated plant material. That means dry twigs, small branches, and hardwood pieces. Make sure it's all natural, no paint, varnish, glue, or treated wood, and definitely no plastic, coal, or charcoal briquettes. These can be toxic and will ruin your fertilizer. Burn the wood completely, let the ash cool, and then collect the fine gray or white ash. Store it in a dry container so it stays ready to use. Wood ash is great for a few reasons. First, the potassium in it helps plants with flowering, fruiting, and overall strength. Calcium helps with root development and can prevent problems like blossom end rot in tomatoes or peppers. It also slightly raises soil pH, which is perfect for plants that like neutral to slightly alkaline soil. On top of that, it contains trace minerals that plants need for healthy growth. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Too much wood ash can make the soil too alkaline, so moderation is key. Once your water's ready, we'll start adding the wood ash. For 10 to 12 liters of water, you'll need about 500 grams of ash. Don't dump it all in at once. Instead, add a little at a time and stir well as you go. This helps the minerals dissolve evenly and prevents clumps from forming. Take your time with this part. It makes a big difference in how effective the fertilizer will be. Next, we're going to add something to feed the microbes. Brown sugar. Take a jug or small container of water and mix in a few tablespoons of brown sugar until it dissolves completely. This sugar acts as food for the beneficial microbes that will grow in your liquid fertilizer. Once it's mixed, pour the sugar water into your wood ash mixture. This is a crucial step because minerals alone aren't enough. The microbes help break down the nutrients so your plants can absorb them more easily. After that, it's time to add compost or well-decomposed manure. Use roughly the same amount as the wood ash. This adds even more microbes and beneficial organisms to the mix. These microbes are going to help convert the raw minerals from the ash into forms that plants can actually use. Compost also adds a little nitrogen to balance the high potassium and calcium from the ash. By adding it, you're turning this fertilizer into a living solution that feeds both the soil and the plants. It also improves soil structure over time, helping it hold water and nutrients better. Once all your ingredients are in, give the mixture a good stir. Make sure everything, wood ash, sugar water, compost, is evenly combined. Close the lid loosely and let it sit for about 24 hours. Don't seal it airtight, because as the microbes start working, they'll produce gases that need to escape. Keep it in a shaded area away from direct sunlight so the microbes stay happy and active. During this 24-hour period, a lot of good things happen. The microbes start feeding on the sugar and organic matter, multiplying rapidly. At the same time, Minerals from the wood ash begin dissolving into the water and bonding with organic compounds from the compost. This makes the nutrients easier for plants to take up when you apply the fertilizer. By the end of the day, your mixture has turned into a nutrient-rich liquid full of minerals and beneficial organisms. After 24 hours, your liquid fertilizer is ready to use. Give it a gentle stir to mix any settled material and then pour it directly around the base of your plants. This fertilizer is going to do a lot for your garden. The potassium and calcium strengthen plant tissues, improve flowering and fruiting, and help prevent nutrient-related problems like blossom end rot. The microbes in compost help improve soil structure, enhance nutrient cycling, and increase water retention. Over time, the soil becomes more fertile and alive, supporting healthier, stronger plants. This kind of fertilizer is especially good for vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, onions, garlic, and other crops that like a neutral to slightly alkaline soil. It's also perfect for fruit trees and flowering plants that need a steady supply of potassium and calcium. Because it feeds the soil as well as the plants, it keeps your garden productive over the long term. And unlike chemical fertilizers, it won't harm soil life. It actually encourages it. Making your own liquid fertilizer at home like this is not just effective, it's also satisfying. You're taking simple materials, water, wood ash, brown sugar, and compost, and turning them into a living, nutrient-rich solution that gives your plants exactly what they need. It's low cost, environmentally friendly, and you know exactly what's going into your garden. Plus, it's flexible. You can adjust the quantities slightly depending on the size of your garden or the types of plants you're growing. Using this fertilizer regularly can really transform a garden. You'll notice stronger roots, bigger leaves, more vibrant flowers, and higher yields. Soil will feel healthier, hold moisture better, and support more beneficial microbes. And because it's a liquid, the nutrients are immediately available to the plants, giving them a quick boost whenever they need it. One of the best things about this fertilizer is that it's easy to repeat. Once you get the hang of it, you can make a fresh batch whenever your garden needs it. It's a great way to recycle materials like wood ash and compost that might otherwise go unused. Over time, you'll start to see how much more productive and resilient your plants become when they're getting consistent natural nutrition like this.